Hey styles, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for tuning in. Today I will be showing you all my skincare routine using Dermalogica's Discover Healthy Skin Kit from Ulta Beauty. And I just want to let you all know that I did try the products for 3 to 4 days before filming this so I could actually see the real results, and I actually love the result. My skin was very clean, very soft, and yeah, I really enjoyed all of the products. I don't want to talk the whole time, I just want you all to enjoy the video, but just know that I do recommend all of the products, well, the kit in general, for you all to try. And yeah, I didn't have any breakouts or my skin wasn't irritated or anything. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to hit the red button and share this video if you care. And again, thank you all for watching.